Hello friends, welcome to my channel, myself Example. In this video, we will see set container from the standard template library in C++ language. Now see, in previous video, we have seen, in the first video of standard template library, we have seen there are two types of containers. One is sequence containers and another is associative container. Sequence container means are those containers which are accessed, whose elements are accessed by the linear indices. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So vector, list, deque, these are the sequence containers whose elements are accessed by the linear indices. While associative containers are the containers where elements or values are accessed by the keys. They might not be in a sequence. So such kind of containers are called as associative container. For example, roll number and student name are state name of the state and the capital. For example, see Maharashtra, Mumbai, Karnataka, Bangalore, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Like this, state name. So here in this case, state name is the key and others are the values. Right? Capital is the value. So here keys are used to identify the value. So keys they are not necessarily should be in a sequence, right? Those are not in a sequence. So when keys are used to access any values, such kind of containers are called as associative container. And when there are linear indices which is used to access the elements are called as a sequence container. Now see. So there are two main associative containers. One is set and another is map. In map there are key value pairs. So see, there is key and also there is value. For simple example, roll number and the student name. So 35 some student name. Roll number 37 some student name. Likewise. So key when the values are saved as a key value pairs. So that is a map, and when only keys are saved, so that is set. So that is the difference between set and map. In map container, values are in a key value pair. Okay, so elements are in key value pair, while here only keys are saved. Only key objects are saved in set. Now see, in associative container, keys are used to identify the value, right? So keys should be unique. Keys cannot be repeated. That's why keys are uniquely identifying that particular value. Keys should be unique. So in set there are only keys. So keys should be unique. Even in map also keys should be unique. Keys cannot be repeated. So first thing, as set have only keys should not be repeated. Keys should be unique. So first thing, so in set, what are the values? Values are the keys only. So those values should be unique. Or you can say it has a unique value. It should be unique. Then that should be in a sorted order. That value should be in a sorted order. So here, that should be in a sorted order. So see, that should be unique and that should be in a sorted order. So set saves the values like this. We will see the example. So from that it will be clear how values are saved, how those are unique and how those are sorted. And if you repeat the values, if you insert same value, so what will happen, that also you see through the example. Now see. So this is one program written and we will have the output here. Now see, so set is a part of standard template library and it is a template class. Set is a template class and that's why in angular brackets we have to mention for what data type we are using it. So suppose we are using it for the integer data type. Now to use set we have to use header file set. Now see, here we are inserting the values. So some values we are inserting. See 60, 10, 20, 20, 40, 50, 50. Now see here, in this case I am inserting 20 two times and 50 two times. We'll run this program, and from this we'll check it how values are saved. So our program is STL12. STL12. So got compiled and we got the output also. So see here by using iterator we are printing the values. So here see we have inserted 22 times. Here you can see 20 we have inserted 2 times, but there is only one copy. Then 50 we have inserted 2 times, but there is only one copy. That means elements here are unique. Values in the set are unique. Then here you can see they are in a sorted order, right? They are in sorted order. They are in ascending order, right? So values in set are the sorted. They are saved in a sorted order, like this. So these are the features of set. Now see here we are printing the values, and for that purpose we are using the iterator. Now see, as iterator is a nested class of this set, so see how we are defining object of iterator. So this is a set, that is the name of the class. As it is template class, we are mentioning data type. Scope resolution operator, because iterator is a nested class of the set. So iterator, for vector there is another iterator class which is nested to it. For map there is also iterator class which is nested to map class. In the same way, set class have one nested class iterator that we are using, and for that purpose we are using the scope resolution operator and it, the name of the object of iterator class. Now see, s.begin returns iterator pointing to the first element. s.end returns iterator which is pointing next to the last element. Next to the last, not last, next to the last element. And we are running this loop until we get next to the last iterator. So here we are running it, and this star operator is overloaded to get the element pointed by that iterator. So this asterisk, it is overloaded and it is returning value pointed by this iterator. So by this we are getting the output, and here we are printing, and that's why we got output like this: 10, 20, 40, 50, 16. Then here we are printing the size of the iterator, and for that purpose we are calling this size function using this set object. Using this set object here, using this set object s, we are calling this size function. So it is returning the size of the set. So what is the size of the set? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, though we have inserted, how many elements we have inserted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But when they are saved in a set, so here there are 5, because 20 was repeated and 50 was repeated, because there is only single value. Unique values are saved in a set, and that's why size of the set is 5 only, and it is written by the size function of the set. Then s.clear, so it removes all the values in the set. So s.clear, it is removing all the values in that set. Now see here s.empty, so it will return 1 if it is empty, or otherwise it will return 0. Now already we have called clear, so as we have called clear, all the values are deleted. Now see, so it will return 1 because now it is empty, so it will return 1, and then again we are printing the size. So see here, already we have run this. So previously size of the set was 5. After calling clear, and then here we are printing, now the size of the set is 0 because now it is empty, and s.empty returns 1. So as it was empty, there were no elements in that set. So in this way, set container, which is provided by the standard template library in C++ language, in this way it is used. So friends, I hope you like this video. If yes, then click on like, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press bell icon so that you will get notification of my next video. So stay connected. Thank you.